In primetime news this evening, the revelation that government paid consultants more than $60 million to carry out Petrojam review. After a series of TVJ stories on robberies plaguing southern St. Elizabeth, police launch a major operation in the parish. Education Ministry to release PEP grades as a percentage. And man picked up as part of probe into several rapes in Portmore has been charged with other crimes.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, and Herman Green has our preview. Herman?
Thanks, Janella. Well, Jamaica Broilers Group released its financials for last financial year. The company recorded an almost $7 billion increase in revenue. We'll have the details of that and other business stories later in the business day.
And from business, we go to sports. Spencer Darlington, what's happening there?
Thank you very much, Archie. Well, the J3's president went up for the top administrative post in regional athletics today. Wasn't successful. We'll tell you how the voting went later.
There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
This evening, we're asking, what are your views on the JHTA's proposal to tax Airbnb operators? And that's, of course, the Jamaica Hotel and Tourist Association's proposal.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, and tweet us at televisionjam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.
News headlines brought to you by